Hello and welcome to my YouTube page. In this video we will walk through a Python program. In the beginning I will give you an overview of what I plan to cover, then I will switch over to Python idle editor, walk you through the script and then run the program in Python shell. At the end, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Now let's begin. Dictionaries are also Python data structures except that these are indexed by keys. A dictionary is used as an unordered set of key and value pairs that are enclosed in curly brackets. The key can be any immutable type and must be unique. The corresponding value associated with a key is written after a semicolon and following the key. The value of a pair in a dictionary can be updated given the key. The dictionary method keys is used to get a list of all the keys in a given dictionary. There are 3 ways to create a dictionary. The first way is using curly brackets. The dictionaries are created by enclosing the comma-separated key-value pairs inside curly brackets. A colon is used to separate the key and value in a pair. The second method is using the dictionary constructor. This will create a dictionary by passing the comma-separated key-value pairs inside the constructor. The third way is by using a sequence having each item as a key-value pair. 2 major advantages of using a Python dictionary are: first, it streamlines the readability of your code, which ultimately allows the programmer to perform analysis faster and models can be fitted more efficiently. Second, Python dictionaries are fairly quick. The programmer can look up a key quickly. In order to look up an item in a huge list, the computer will look through every item within the list. Since dictionaries assign every item a key-value pair, the programmer only has to look up the key, which ultimately makes the process faster. The methods covered include all, any, copy, keys, values, sorted, len, get, update, items, set default key, pop item, from keys, and clear. Now, let's open up the Python idle editor and develop a program that performs several methods on dictionaries. First, start out by putting identification information for the Python file enclosed by 3 quotations. For the program file name, let's title it dictionarymethods.py. Then the author information, and for that, I'll put my name Lewis. Next the date, which is September 25, 2022, and lastly I'll put a short description of the program. This program performs various dictionary methods. The methods covered include all, any, copy, keys, values, sorted, len, get, update, items, set default key, pop item, from keys, and clear. Let's create our dictionary by typing name age equals, open curly bracket, apostrophe Zachary Griffin apostrophe, colon 49, comma, apostrophe David Smith apostrophe, colon, 48 comma, apostrophe John Johnson apostrophe, colon, 55 comma, apostrophe Michael Weathers apostrophe, colon, 46 comma, apostrophe Donovan Mathers apostrophe, colon, 44. Close the curly brackets and press enter. Let's print the dictionary by typing print, open parenthesis, f, quotation, our employee names and ages are, colon, open curly bracket name age close curly bracket, close the quotation, close the parenthesis and press enter. The F preceding the print statement means formatted string literals, and it is a way to format your string that is more readable and fast. The dictionary title enclosed in curly brackets will pull in the dictionary values that were input above. The print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device. The message can be a string or any other object. The object will be converted into a string before being written to the screen. I want to input a blank line here, therefore, type print, open and close parenthesis, then press enter. Our first method is all. All returns true if all keys of the dictionary are true or if the dictionary is empty. Type print, open parenthesis, quotation, all method for the name age dictionary returns as, colon, quotation, comma, all, open parenthesis name age, close parenthesis twice as there are 2 preceding opening parentheses and press enter. The second method is any. Any returns true if any key of the dictionary is true. If the dictionary is empty, it will return as false. Type print, open parenthesis, quotation, any method for the name age dictionary returns as, quotation, comma, any, open parenthesis name age close parenthesis twice as there are two preceding opening parentheses and press enter. The third method is copy. Copy returns a copy of the dictionary. Type name age copy equals name age.copy, open and close parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the copied name and age dictionary, quotation, comma, name age copy, close the parenthesis and press enter. The fourth method is keys. Keys returns a list containing the dictionary's keys. Type keys only equals name age.keys open and close parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the printed keys from the name and age dictionary are, quotation, comma, keys only, close the parenthesis and press enter. The fifth method is values. Values returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. Type values only equals name age.values open and close parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the printed values from the name and age dictionary are, quotation, comma, values only, close the parenthesis and press enter. The sixth method is sorted. Sorted returns a new sorted list of keys in the dictionary. Type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the sorted keys in the name and age dictionary are, quotation, comma, sorted, open parenthesis name age, close parenthesis twice as there are two preceding opening parentheses and press enter. The seventh method is len. Len returns the length of the dictionary. This is the number of items in the dictionary. Type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the length of the name and age dictionary is, quotation, comma, len, open parenthesis name age, close parenthesis twice as there are two preceding opening parentheses and press enter. The eighth method is get. Get returns the value of the key. If the key does not exist, return defaults to none. Type get value equals name age.get, open parenthesis apostrophe David Smith apostrophe close the parenthesis, and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, using the get method on the David Smith key returns as, quotation, comma, get value, close the parenthesis and press enter. The ninth method is update. This method updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. Let's update the John Johnson key from 55 to 56. Type name age.update, open parenthesis, open curly bracket, apostrophe John Johnson apostrophe, 56, close the curly bracket, close the parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the updated name and age John Johnson key is, quotation, comma, name age, close the parenthesis and press enter. The 10th method is items. Items return a view object. The view object contains the key value pairs of the dictionary as tuples in a list. Type name age items equals name age.items, open and close parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the updated name and age dictionary format is, quotation, comma, name age items, close the parenthesis and press enter. The 11th method is to set the default key. This method is used to set the default value to the key. It returns value if the key is present. Otherwise, it inserts a key with the default value. Default value for the key is none. Type default name age equals name age.set default, open parenthesis apostrophe Zachary Griffin apostrophe, comma none close the parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the set default value of the Zachary Griffin key is, quotation, comma, default name age, close the parenthesis and press enter. The 12th method is pop. Pop removes the element with the specified key. Type name age.pop, open parenthesis apostrophe Michael Weathers apostrophe, close the parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the remaining name and ages after the Michael Weathers key popped is, quotation, comma, name age, close the parenthesis and press enter. The 13th method is pop item. This method removes the item that was last inserted into the dictionary. Type name age.pop item, open parenthesis, and close the parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the remaining name and ages after the last inserted item was popped is, colon, quotation, comma, name age, close the parenthesis and press enter. The 14th method is from keys. From keys returns a new dictionary with keys from sequence and value. If no value is input, it defaults to none. Type age equals 45 and press enter. Next type age 45 equals dict dot from keys, open parenthesis name age, comma age, close the parenthesis and press enter. Next, type print, open parenthesis, quotation, all keys have been set to age 45, colon, quotation, comma, age 45, close the parenthesis and press enter. The 15th and last method is clear. As the name suggests, clear removes all items from the dictionary. Type name age dot clear open and close parenthesis and press enter. Type print, open parenthesis, quotation, the cleared dictionary is, colon, quotation, comma, name age, close the parenthesis and press enter. Now, let's run the module and confirm the program that performs several methods on a dictionary works as expected. In the Python idle editor header, click Run, then click Run Module. After the idle shell opens, based on the code we input our dictionary employee names and ages are Zachary Griffin, 49, David Smith, 48, John Johnson, 55, Michael Weathers, 46, Donovan Mathers, 44. The all method for the name age dictionary returns as true. The any method for the name age dictionary returns as true. The copied name and age dictionary returns a copy of the initial dictionary. The printed keys from the name and age dictionary are dict_keys, Zachary Griffin, David Smith, John Johnson, Michael Weathers, Donovan Mathers. The printed values from the name and age dictionary are dict_values, 49, 48, 55, 46, 44. The sorted keys in the name and age dictionary are David Smith, Donovan Mathers, John Johnson, Michael Weathers, Zachary Griffin. The length of the name and age dictionary is 5, using the get method on the David Smith key returns as 48. The updated name and age John Johnson key is Zachary Griffin, 49, David Smith, 48, John Johnson, 56, Michael Weathers, 46, Donovan Mathers, 44. The updated name and age dictionary format is dict_items, Zachary Griffin, 49, David Smith, 48, John Johnson, 56, Michael Weathers, 46, Donovan Mathers, 44. The set default value of the Zachary Griffin key is 49. If you recall, the set default method is used to set the default value to the key. It returns value if the key is present. Since the key is present and has a value, it returns 49. If there was no value, it would have returned the set default of none. The remaining name and ages after the Michael Weathers key popped is Zachary Griffin, 49, David Smith, 48, John Johnson, 56, Donovan Mathers, 44. The remaining name and ages after the last inserted item was popped is Zachary Griffin, 49, David Smith, 48, John Johnson, 56. All keys have been set to age 45, Zachary Griffin, 45, David Smith, 45, John Johnson, 45. Lastly, the clear method presents empty curly brackets. Thank you for watching my video. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos to YouTube. I'll see you next week with a new Python video. Until next time, take care.